Hey there guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get cheaper plans for Visible and how the whole process works. So first thing first, the most way how you can do it is that you can use a referral code for your first month. So when you're gonna sign up for annual plans to save on the monthly rate or leverage port out port in strategies, so you want to check like on the subreddit Visible and actually like go there and then you can actually like paste and write the referral code, and that's something that you can do. So for example right here, and you can see the details here, and you're gonna bring your phone, and this is how you're gonna do it. So referral code first thing, so you're gonna have the email number and then also custom promos. So if better deal arises or like Black Friday, $5 off, port your number out of cheap provider like Tello for a few hours, and then you can like port back in using a new email to get a new customer discount. So this is something that you can do. So you can also use Rakuten for cashback and combine it with active promotional codes like Get More, 10 for 5, Blue Deal during checkout. So that's something you can do also. And then what you can do is you can also you can have like long-term promos. So special long-term promos are available. Now, of course, so what you can do is that this is something that you can do, but primarily to use the referral code. When you're gonna go on Reddit, there are like plenty of people like sharing those codes that you can actually like use. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and good